I would like to introduce you. For example, like to enable code execution on tone calling. So this is something that very new. So I need to put it here. So code execution is the ability that allowing the agent to writing some piece of code in order to do complex behavior. For example, like I don't know, like YouTube transcribe dollar. For example, like this one. If you would like to do this kinds of like YouTube transcript downloader, you will have to do certain things that very complex, where you have to using different services in order to download the file, and then you will transcribe, and then you can upload into another Google Drive folder, for example. But with code execution, it's going to be much easier. So this feature is still in beta, but I will just enable now. I will just save, and I will I use a code execution tool and help me to download a video from YouTube. Using YouTube downloader package. Yep. So I hope this way. We're still in testing on this feature, but it's going to okay. So it will calling the code execution command. So this is kind of like a built-in tool that we just created, and it is going to start to okay. You can see that it's code execution, right? So it's firstly download the YouTube video, and it's going to create a script to download the transcript. Okay, so it can install some of the package, and it downloads successfully. It's nice. And right now it's going to create a Python script that going to do some operation, which is very powerful. Yeah. So anticipatedly, it's going to create a Python script to execute that, and asking us to provide the YouTube URL, and it can download the transcribe to its own machine. So with this update on this one, your AI is having its own machine to run code. And why is it powerful? It will empower the skill with more flexible. So it means whatever that you can do in Claude.ai, you can do in AgenticFlow, and you can pack everything together in this part.